In this video, we'll be talking about some of the new features that are available within MyCNC software as of late 2023 and early 2024. And this video is part 2 of our DXF import videos. In the previous video, we've already talked about some of the new features such as our CAM editor. And in this video, we'll be going over the CAD editor. So here I have a profile for MyCNC plasma cutting, and the DXF import button already has the command assigned to it, which is the DXF2-import command instead of the regular DXF-import. So DXF2-import is the new functionality. If we click on this button, we'll see the CAM window that we've already described in our previous video. However, here we're interested in the CAD functionality. So here I have the CAD window in front of me, and it has a number of features that allow us to draw and design our own shapes, and then import them into the CAM window, and from there on import them into MyCNC. So let's quickly go over some examples to get a general feel of what we can do and design within the CAD window. First off, we can use the snap tool to snap the cursor to our grid, to our existing points, and to circles and tangent lines. We can set our grid, and then let's say we have this circle. It has a certain radius, maybe a radius of 2. It's positioned at a certain location. We can add more shapes. Let's say maybe we'll add some splines within this rectangle. We can create some circles that will be connected through tangent lines. And then we can also do things like remove certain lines. We can do things like subdivide circles into a set number of points. We can add things like text. And then we can also find intersections between points and do chamfers. So let's say we now want to manipulate this. We can select a certain shape and we can move it around, for instance. We can mirror a certain shape vertically or horizontally. We can delete a certain shape. Or we can also do things like copy, rotate, etc., etc. So now that we have all of these things, let's say we just have a simple image here with a word testing and a couple of holes here that we're going to copy. Now that we have some kind of a file ready and we'd like to import it into MyCNC, we can click on the confirm button. So this imports it into our CAM window, and from here on we can edit it in the similar way that we've shown in the previous video. So do things like lead editing, we can scale this image, we can change things like our curve, etc. We can add more things like additional shapes next to it, etc., etc. And once we are done with our editing, let's say we move this a little to the side, we can import it into MyCNC as a file that consists of both our custom files designed in the CAD software as well as our CAM shapes and imported DXF files. Thank you for watching.